I'm
teams
alone?
for balance.
Am
Yeah,
I
you're alone
alone?
until someone else joins.
Wow.
Let's go get him.
Yeah, let's go get him. 1, 2, 3, 4. You switch weapons.
How do I sprint?
You get points for controlling those black orbs. There are 3 on the map.
How?
Shit.
Aren't you on the same team? I mean,
Yeah,
is there
there
any
is
color
friendly
coding for the
fire,
teams?
so.
No.
Oh.
That means he is alone.
Oh, why
I like
am I
it.
alone?
Yeah, you're alone.
You're alone. The way it should be.
God damn it!
Run for your life.
Ow.
Oh,
Okay, Manny, you go close combat, I will do the archer.
Easy.
Or just
It's
click
just
join.
Adam. He's simple to kill.
He's...
you're not hitting him. He's 3 HP now.
I'm 3 HP. Fuck up.
I hit you.
It's Adam. He's easy. Don't worry about it.
I
I want to be on its own
can't
with him.
do anything.
Oh, you
How
want
do I
to
know?
Honey?
I
Oh,
don't
join-
want to. You're... no, I will not say that you're a loser. But you're losing, so...
I am winning!
Nice.
Go
It's
Team B!
44.
Go.
I wish I could use...
What? I
Just
had
What?
lag.
Where,
You should be able to
where's
join
my
now.
teammate?
Did
Where
you
am I
download
with
the
team?
Did you tell people, Adam? Did you tell people to download the new client?
Yes.
You sure?
I
Yes.
can't join. It's all
Monica, you need to
speed.
restart the game.
Yeah.
I did it.
Try again.
Try again.
It just... I'm in
It's-
a respawning loophole.
Oh, something's happening.
Yeah, and I'm having trouble even finding.
Yeah,
the
same.
Ah! Oh, here we go.
Same for me.
Oh!
I'm
Aren't we
in an
together? No,
infinite
we're not together.
No, we're not together. You have a different partner, not me.
Yeah, I just checked my pants color.
Oh, now then.
I just wasted my attack. It didn't even hit you.
What?
This one?
Like, you want to play low? Okay, here you go.
No,
Damn it.
first blood. Where's more people? Oh! Shit! shit, fuck!
Run.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it join or is it quick play?
Join. Join is. Oh!
Wait, where's my Steam?
I'll
overlay?
get you.
He's running. He's waiting for you on the door.
Yeah.
Don't
I
tell him.
do it.
He's 1 HP.
Oh!
Oh, he's 1.
I tried to sniper you.
No, it says pound session 0.
I have you. Right?
I
No.
firmly
Ah.
believe it's because you're in game. I might be wrong, but I really think that might be it.
Hey.
My
Okay, let's
hitbox
collect
is
points.
my head
Hit that
only. What is
axe
this?
in the head.
Yeah,
On you. On you.
Persis.
First.
I
Nah.
keep seeing that you're
Oh!
like
Oh.
this damage.
I will get him. I will get him. I also.
Me, but okay.
Ah!
I will
Oh,
get him
sorry.
whose name is Monica. Damn it. Stop being OP.
I got one.
How do you one-shot me with a normal sword? What is this?
Well,
Wait,
it's not
just
a normal,
critical
it's
hit
fire-handed.
or just
Let
a
me
lot of damage.
Let me see the attack rolls. I can see them at the top left. Oh wait, I can see what the attack power is for me.
Oh! Why
Oh.
did you kill me? Oh wait, you were red. That
Yep.
explains.
Yeah.
Oh,
Probably that's why.
Yeah? How did you like this?
I
You
think
didn't
the
even
range
hit
needs
me.
to be increased for the spear.
Yes.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Stop.
And
No.
I
Nope.
wanted to be able to use to throw it. I mean,
Ow!
I want to
Okay,
throw
and I
it.
think the range needs to be lower for the two-handed sword stab.
No, it doesn't. I don't agree.
Bye bye.
But you
Oh,
probably
you
made a
wish?
zongli as well. Or,
No.
Adam, you're not
No, 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 no!
Adam, what are you doing?
I'm trying to hit her with the bow, but that's not working out.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm going with two-handed sword again. Or you know what? With weapon number 2, it's pretty neat as well. It got very wide
How
swings.
many times?
Got
Am I even
50
hitting you?
why can't I double jump in this game? Where's my trusty steed?
Oh, you died. Whoa! What? What is this weapon?
It's pure stat check.
It's just
It's-
yeah,
it's
it's pure
flip of the
stat check.
coin.
It's just two-handed sword is OP.
How
Why
many
would you
points
program
do
it
we
like
need?
this?
And
Which is it?
Oh.
Weapon 4?
yeah,
You killed each other.
split and let's start taking 2 black orbs at the same time instead of fighting them. Then we'll have to split as well.
Yeah, and beat
It's
you.
for 250 or to 300 points?
300 or even more than that.
What is the map layout even? We don't know. You you only one who knows.
You don't know this map? I mean, in
Didn't you
general.
know?
No.
Yeah, I mean, you
Well,
don't have
then
it.
walk around and find out.
Well, I found a
Slow
point.
down.
So whatever.
Please die.
No?
Suddenly Adam's internet gets cut
Maybe.
off.
Aww.
Easy win.
Easy.
Team A win.
Not easy.
There needs to be a taunt mechanic in this.
Yup.
Whoa,
What?
this
What?
is not fair.
Someone was
Oh, gotcha.
That's-
No, you killed each other.
someone was trying to kill me on spawn.
Now that you mention it, it's not that stupid.
Ah, goddammit.
Oh my god. Oh, nice.
Got one.
Why do all the weapons have the same
Aw,
attack
that's
speed?
easy.
Oh, damn it.
Hey, am I on
Someone
your
was
side?
behind
I'm on your
us.
side. Ah, there we go.
English longbowman.
Hey, I've got twins in front of me.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, sitting on the team B. Who's just sitting in the zone?
It's the
There-
French. They're attacking. Go kill.
Oh wait, no. You're...
No,
Why?
it's me. Go take another bubble. I will defend this one.
Bubble.
Watch out.
What?
Oh.
Excuse me.
Just
Can both people get points at both spheres
Oh.
though?
You
no,
again,
you
Mr.
have to
Stubborny
have
Stubborny.
more players in a sphere. So if there are 2 players of one team and one of the second team, then the one with the advantage will get points.
Ah, come on.
Okay, but the same team.
No,
Dum dum.
you just control it, and it gives you 1 point. So it doesn't matter how many people are controlling it. You're with me. Don't kill me. I think you're with me. Wait, you're...
Yes.
Oh, shit!
Is there any
Okay.
difference
Not like that.
between,
Seems
My
you have to
stabby
give the
doesn't
game a
work.
little bit of time to initialize, and then you don't get stuck in a respawn loop.
it hasn't got. Okay.
Maybe it didn't synchronize yet when you joined it. I don't know.
We
Where am
gotta
I
take a
killing
look
here?
at this.
Oh, we're on the same
Are we on
team.
the same team? Okay.
Uh-huh.
I'm controlling the force, by
Huzzah!
the way.
Go on and
Intruder.
fight.
Intruder.
Who are you, drunk?
I didn't mean it. I didn't mean that.
When did you
Oh,
become
I'm
Polish?
sorry, we have to ban you
No,
now.
Oh yeah, you're the mod. You're the man now.
Oh! Tell my mummy of you.
Are there actually Three team colors or something?
Who?
No, 2. But,
But
Rogue and
it
Warrior may
looks
look a bit
different.
different.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, okay. To me, it
Team
looks
B
black.
is controlling a
they're
point
really evil.
somewhere. Someone from Team B is controlling a point.
Take that. Evil twins are back.
It's the middle? Are they controlling the middle?
No.
No.
What they're doing? I don't know what's going on.
Wait, are for you Team A have more points or Team B?
Team A got more points, so Team Red.
Alright, cool. Just double check. It's the same.
By the way, on your back you have lower armor, so you're easier to hit if someone sticks behind you.
Ah!
Whoa,
Dead.
he's flying.
I'm really bad at this game.
Oh, it's alright.
Oh, watch out.
You're
Archer.
not as bad as I. As me.
I'm worse.
No.
It's an honor though.
No.
Not possible.
Yup, not possible.
How do you never die?
Yeah.
Woo, Team A!
Yeah.
Alright, well
Your
played,
first
guys.
win.